It's the compass that guides your decisions, the anchor that steadies you in turbulent markets, and the sail that propels you towards your financial goals. And just like any other tool, it needs to be sharpened, polished, and maintained regularly. In the realm of trading, mindset isn't just about being positive or optimistic. It's about having a certain set of traits, a particular way of thinking that successful traders seem to share. It's about being resilient, adaptable, and continuously seeking improvement. It's about viewing setbacks not as failures, but as opportunities for growth. So what does this mindset look like? How can we cultivate it? And most importantly, how can it help us become successful traders? In this video, we'll delve into these questions. We'll explore the mindset traits that successful traders possess and how you can cultivate them for your own trading journey. Successful traders have a growth mindset, which means they embrace challenges, learn from failures, and see setbacks as opportunities for growth. This mindset is not a mere buzzword, but a fundamental trait that sets the successful apart from the rest. A growth mindset is about seeing potential where others see failure. It's about learning from the losses and using them as stepping stones to success. In the world of trading, losses are inevitable, but those with a growth mindset perceive them as valuable lessons rather than setbacks. Next up, resilience. The market is unpredictable, filled with highs and lows. It takes a tough mind to weather these storms, but successful traders do it with grace. They have the resilience to bounce back from a bad trade, the patience to wait for the right opportunity, and the courage to take calculated risks when it presents itself. Adaptability is another key trait. The market is constantly changing, and so must the trader. Successful traders are adaptable, ready to pivot their strategies based on market conditions. They stay informed, they stay flexible, and they stay ahead of the game. Lastly, successful traders are always seeking ways to improve their trading skills. They are lifelong learners, always hungry for knowledge. They read, they research, they learn from their peers and mentors. They understand that the more they know, the better their decisions will be. In essence, a successful trader is a master of their mindset. They know that their attitude, their resilience, their adaptability, and their thirst for knowledge are the keys to their success. They are resilient in the face of adversity, adaptable to changing market conditions, and always seeking ways to improve their trading skills. By adopting a positive and proactive mindset, you'll be better equipped to overcome obstacles, stay focused on your goals. The journey to trading success is not a straight path. It's a winding road, filled with bumps, detours, and unexpected turns. But it's this very journey that shapes us, that allows us to grow and evolve as traders. And it all starts with cultivating the right mindset. Just like a gardener nurturing a seedling, we must nurture our mindset. We must water it with positivity, feed it with knowledge, and give it the light of experience. We must be patient, allowing it to grow and develop over time. We must be resilient, bouncing back from the inevitable setbacks and failures. And we must be adaptive, ready to adjust our strategies and tactics as the market conditions change. So, cultivate a mindset of growth and watch your trading career flourish. Because a successful trader isn't born, they're grown.